Behind the scene ko.
News with no bias.
News with no exceptions.
And this is J7 94.7 News Patrol. The voice,
The agents, the catalyst of Region 10.
Good afternoon, Philippines.
Good afternoon, Cagayan de Oro.
Today is November 26, 2024, and I am Raymond J. Tulio.
I am Yvonne E. Gabriel. For today's headline, teachers of Region 10 using learning approaches.
Before this, let's have an advertisement.
Are you tired of dry dusting, safeguard the bus, and the road to ultimate hydration? Our moisture action, specially formulated to nourish and hydrate your skin like never before, with its unique blend of natural ingredients and advanced moisturizing technology. This soap will leave your skin fairly soft, smooth, and irresistibly touchable. Moisture Max Soap, your skin's hydration hair. Now discover the beauty of moisturized skin today.
Yeah, and we're back from our field reporters. Let's have Miss Rachel. Miss Rachel?
Reporting live at Geronimo Cabrera National High School, Division of Plano del Norte, Region 10. With me now is Ma'am Ivana Jean Gomez, an English teacher of Geronimo Cabrera National High School. Ma'am, what approach are you using to address the needs of your English learners?
Hello ma'am, good afternoon. So I am an English teacher of Geronimo Cabrera National High School, and I am using an experiential learning in which I allow my learners to create opportunities by letting them learn by doing, not just listening into my class discussion. So I believe that by using this strategy, I could create more engaging and more effective English learning experience for my students. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Miss Rachel. And from the other field, we have Miss Rodafe. Miss Rodafe?
Thank you, sir. Reporting live, Miss Annabelle Melendres from the Division of Malaybalay City, Silain National High School. Hello, ma'am. You know, ma'am, as a grade 7 teacher here at Silain National High School, I usually use the collaborative approach since this encourages students' active participation. Collaborative approach is also a learner-centered approach in which vital as an implementer of the Matatag curriculum, because as we all know that the core of the Matatag curriculum framework should be learner-centered. That's all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Back to you, sir.
Thank you, Miss Rodafe. And other field reporter, we have Miss Stephanie. Stephanie?
Thank you so much, Sir Raymar. We're joined now by Teacher Sally, reporting live from the Pangan Integrated School, Don Victoriano District. Teacher Sally, what teaching approach did you use in your English class?
Yes, on far-flung area of Don Victoriano, province of Misamis Occidental, we are using explicit approach. Okay, why we're using this one? Because explicit approach, clear and direct communication to the students, openly expressing thoughts, intention, or desire without ambiguity. Detailed explanation, providing tools, step-by-step instruction, or description. If you know better your student, you can easily apply and derive your applications and assessment for student productive. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Stephanie.
That's all for today. Thank you for tuning in. G7 94.7 News Patrol. Join us next time for more insightful discussions.
This is G7 94.7 News Patrol signing off.
Wow! Galing!